Welcome to my channel. I create education video. By the way, today we're going to look some amazing question and answer. Before that, please subscribe my channel. What is the function of flame cell? It hibernates creation. Name the insect which carry the parasite that cause sleeping sickness. Said fly. Name the animal that contain chlorophyll. Euglena. Which animal is known as devilfish? Octopus. Name the bird that hibernates. Whippoorwill. Which animal have longest gestation period? Elephant, 22 months, with 14 form, hairs, scale, and nail. In our human body, keratin. What are maggots? Larvae of housefly. Upcoming. If you're female, how can you go to male? Think it out. If you know, write down in the comment section. Please support my channel.